super, super grateful to be home for the summer. What's up, guys? Welcome to the start of the Arizona vlogs! I actually say this all the time, but Arizona is my happiest place. It's just where my family is. Sam's off work, so we actually get to spend time together, because when we're on the road and working, like, we barely even see each other, even though we're together every day. It's just he's working all day long. He comes home, he eats, and we do it all over again. 7 days a week. We have like lots of date nights planned, double dates with our friends, game nights. We've gone on the boat already. We're gonna go to the lake all the time, jet skis, the good summer food, like grilling out and playing games. Like I am so happy to actually have a summer. My last couple of summers I feel like have been robbed because they've been so short-lived. But this time we literally get like the whole rest of summer to just hang out here, be with my family, and just make so many memories. And it's so cute seeing Halo here. She loves it so much, and she's obsessed with my parents. Like, I'm not even kidding. Especially my mom. She is like her little... She's clung to her. We have so many plans. I think that we're actually going to be doing a staycation. So we're thinking about getting a water home for a week. So literally living on a home that floats on water. It's so cute. It's so fun. We went and toured them the other day. So I think we'll do that and like just boat and jet ski and grill out and hang out every single night there for a week. So that'll be fun. That'll be in another vlog if we end up doing it. And then what else? Oh yeah, being back at church is the best. Like, no other church even compares to my home church in Arizona. Like, nothing compares. And honestly, I kind of feel bad saying that because I've been to really good churches, and I don't know, it's just something about your home church that just hits different. Like, the message is always so convicting. I absolutely love our pastors. Yeah, church has been amazing to be back at. And then yesterday was girls' night for the church. So me and my friend Jackie and my mom, we all went to girls' night. I just need that for my life. Like, I need to be constantly surrounding myself around like godly, like-minded people. Baby, are you awake? We're gonna go get lunch, okay? So yeah, just super, super grateful to be home for the summer, and I just cannot wait to share everything with you guys. I want to vlog as much as possible. My brother also has a YouTube channel, and his is for his, like, his niche is his fighting career and his MMA career and making his way to the UFC. So his niche is all like that type of thing, but he does like day in the life vlogs, and he got some really good content of Halo, and his camera is insane. Like, it's mad expensive, but like the quality is unbeatable. So I'm gonna try to snag some footage from his memory card to put in my vlog. I think that's the rest of the updates. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm getting a makeover. I'm getting my hair done, my nails done, the whole shebang, so we'll vlog that. Now I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I'm so hungry, and I want to go try Jersey Mike's because I've heard so many good things about them. Like, everybody on TikTok's talking about them. Like, it's just the most refreshing summer lunch, I feel like, is to have a good crunchy crispy sub with some chips and a drink. So I want to go get some Jersey Mike's and bring it home for Sam, me, and Halo, and then we'll eat by the pool, hang out, go swimming, and just enjoy the rest of our day. Alright guys, come with me to Jersey Mike's. I'm going to stop by and grab some subs for me and Halo to have for lunch today. I figured I would just do an order through the app for pickup. They also have the option for delivery if you don't feel like leaving the house, but since I'm already out and about, I figured I would just stop by and grab it and then take it home so we can eat it out by the pool. So when you sign up and order through the Jersey Mike's app, you can earn Shore Points, which you can use towards free subs in the future. Plus, this August, if you add chips and a drink to your order, you can receive bonus points. If you don't already have the Jersey Mike's app, you can go on and create a My Mike's account and start earning points right away. Our lunch was so good. Now we're gonna go swimming. Thank you again so much to Jersey Mike's for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. boy. I need a big boy. Good morning, guys. It's another day. I just keep picking up the vlog randomly, but me and Sam are about to go get a workout in at a new gym that we found. So it's kind of early. What time is that? 5:53. We're gonna go get a workout in. Why does this look so pale? The girl is not that pasty. I got a little base tan. We have upper body day today, chest, back. Let's get it. I just randomly had this piece of toast because Sam's making us breakfast, and then we're gonna go out on the boat today. And then today's also, what else? Oh, girls' night at church. So fully packed schedule, and we got the eggs and he has sausage cooking, toast, protein smoothie, and yeah, I had to show you guys some of the updates of the house. It's still under complete construction, so everything is crazy. Happy summer to us.
What you got going on over here? We got turn signals on. Did she just say poker?
The next day, I just got my coffee, and now I'm gonna go in to my hair appointment and get my hair done. I'm so excited. I always feel like a whole different human when I get my hair done. Today I'm gonna go kind of bold. I want to do a full head of highlights. I normally do a partial, and I also do like baby lights throughout it, or I do like a root smudge, but today I really just want to brighten up. I was like so in my go dark era. I wanted the darker look, but ever since I had Halo, and her hair is literally platinum blonde, and she's just the cutest little thing, like her blonde hair and blue eyes, and I just miss being blonde. So I'm gonna go get my hair done, get some highlights, and then after I'm gonna go get a manicure and a pedicure done too. I'm not gonna vlog in there. I hate vlogging in the hair salon. It's just so weird. So I'm just gonna show you guys the before, and then when I see you next, I'm hopefully gonna love it.
That's what I
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! You know my husband's gonna be like, you look the same. But no, I don't. I look different. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and go home now. I was gonna go get my nails done, but it's already 4:18. It took way longer than we expected. And then I'll just get my nails done tomorrow. I still haven't decided what I really want for my nails anyways, so this will give me more time to think about that. Family dinner. Num num num. That's Mama's water. Look, we got some shrimp on the Barbie. We got some steak, shrimp, potato. That's me?
Yeah. Got some dew on our plates.
Chef FDD. You say hi?
Sam, get your plate.
Say Baba. Do you want some shrimp,
Steak's
baby?
probably cold. Not cold, but it's probably not.
Here, you want some shrimp? Yeah?
It's so thin, it's hard.
Say
to,
please.
It's hard not to overdo it, but it was so juicy.
Mmm. Is that good?
Oh, okay, good. That was a good FDC.
You want some potato? Dude, nothing is better than your shrimp. What, the steak is?
Well, I don't know about better.
It's Buddy! Look how excited she is! You let her eat those little bites? And she does?
Give me a kissy.
Are you sure?
Hey, look.
Too big?
It's huge!
That's like what she was eating earlier.
I mean, if she was eating it, that's fine, but...
5 pieces.
She's so excited right now. Oh my lord. Where's your muscles?
Where's Where's your muscles? Yeah. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? All done?
Halo, are you okay? Halo, you cry?
Oh.
I think she likes the
She's
mist.
saying all done.
All done.
Ready, set, go! And now I know how far I'll go. Here comes the horsey. Halo, say nay.
Yay! Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hi, buddy.
Oh.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Who's this? Get him.
Hat. Say hat.
Oh.
Oh, be nice. Guys, it's like 6 a.m. I skipped out on the gym today. That's where Sam is, but I needed to get some work done, so I woke up early and I got some work done outside. In Arizona in the morning and at night is the absolute best weather. There's like no comparing. I'm doing my Bible study now in front of my parents' cactus garden. So relaxing. But before I end the vlog, I wanted to show you guys some of the outside updates of my parents' house because the inside is just absolute chaos. Like, it's not even ready to be shown yet, but they are still working in there. Like, they got so much done. But the outside, I feel like I showed you guys last summer pretty much all of it, but there is little updates, so I'll show you guys all those. They have done so much to this house, and there's still so much that needs to be done, but I feel like my dad is just adding project after project after project after project on top of each other, so it's like things are getting done, but it doesn't seem like it's all put together yet because it's just one after the other. I want to show you guys what the outside looks like because it's honestly resort vibes. It feels so relaxing out here. I could go on and on about how much I love it, but I'll just show you instead. Okay, so first of all, this is like their whole property. The connexes have like all of our storage stuff in it, but they just have all this dirt that they leveled out because we're gonna be putting a casita and a gym back here. So all the solar panels are put in. There's so many solar panels back there. There's just like all my dad's trailers and stuff like that. This is the dog park, which I'll show you guys. And then when you walk up to the back of the house, gosh, it's seriously stunning. This is the cornhole area. That's the cactus garden where I was just sitting. There's the hot tub. And then it goes up to some stairs. That is my parents' room back there, but they have this fountain right here. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Like a little lounge area, and everything needs like dusted off and cleaned, but there was like a monsoon that came through and just made everything super dusty and dirty. This is the dog park. It's almost finished. They have misters up here and these shades. This is where the dogs come potty. This is the cold plunge. And then here's the pool area. Usually 2 chairs are up on the deck, and there's misters put in up there. There's a couch there. The pool guys are supposed to come on the weekend, so they need to come clean the pool. Outdoor kitchen area. Like I said, a monsoon dust storm came through, so it's so dusty. Into my parents' room. That is the window to my mom's office. That's the living room, and all these doors like slide, so it's indoor outdoor living. They got the 2 swings, which thankfully these covers are so easy to clean, but like since the monsoon came through, all dirty. Outdoor kitchen bar area that goes to the kitchen. That's my parents' camper. Just the side of the house. They're gonna make this into like courtroom, game room area, I'm pretty sure. We play games here, eat dinner. All of these actually have shades that come down and it's so nice. Or you can leave them open. Cabana, and then the little deck area. That's the outside. Oh, I miss this place so much when I'm not here. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's travertine and turf put in. I'm gonna go finish doing my Bible study and then finish editing this vlog. I think me and Sam are gonna go to a comedy show and go get some dinner, do a little date night. So thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Okay, love you times a million, Billy TRILLY. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
2 words that you got it